Oh, hello everyone. I was just reading Passing, one of my favorite books from this semester, and I was noticing all my underlines and other markups and dog-eared pages. That was before I discovered the Kindle and the eCloud reader and the highlighting function. And Dr. Pruitt did point that out early in the semester, and I started using it, and it changed the way I do research for papers. And I'd like to present that to you as my presentation because it will increase your efficiency and help you keep all of your notes in one place, especially if you have more than one book. You can see where I've added a highlight, and it shows up like that. Highlights sync to a page on Amazon.com. Some of you may have used this. Certainly Dr. Pruitt is familiar, and I'd like to show you a little bit about that. So if we go to the first part of what you would really do is go, some Kindle books are not formatted for searching, and I'm going to demonstrate the search here. That's very useful. But in the meantime, you get your book, and when you go here to this page is called read.amazon.com. So you'll see your library, and you've got all your books. So you can be reading it on your Kindle, or you can be reading it here, and where the highlights were in the Kindle will show up here, and you can also highlight here by simply highlighting. And it'll ask you to write a highlight, or you can even write a note. In order to go see your highlights, you want to go to this next page, which is a different URL. It's a same URL, but it's a notebook area. And here are all my highlights. So you're thinking, oh, I'm writing this paper, and these are the ones, the quotes that I want to use. It's useful there because here, if you highlight something, you cannot copy and paste it from the e-reader on Amazon. You have to have them on this page because they're they're copyable text. So the nice thing is it gives you the page number along with it. And so when I was writing my earnest paper, I've got a quote here from Algernon and Cecily, where she's talking about she's going to copy his complimentary remarks into her diary. So here is where that quote is, right here. So when I was reading, the nice thing that it allows you to do is when you're reading, you can read for the things that you're looking for example. And one story that I liked a whole lot was in Gabriel Garcia Marquez in Strange Pilgrims. I wrote my paper about Miss Forbes' Summer of Happiness. And I wanted to look at the passages where they talk about this Greek amphora that they found on the floor of the ocean. So I couldn't remember exactly what page that was on. So I'm going to go here to search amphora. And what it'll do is it indexes this here. And the three passages that mention amphora are highlighted. So I can go to one, and then there it's highlighted. Also, you see the bar at the bottom that tells me what page I'm on and everything. This was a very helpful feature because it allowed me to speed up the production of the paper. So when I go to my notes, I can go to Strange Pilgrims, find the book here, and it displays all the notes that I had highlighted for what I was focusing on my paper. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that, and if you want to take advantage of some 21st century technology, it's there for you. Meanwhile, I'm going to go back to the old paper and cardboard book. There's nothing like having a book in your hand with no distractions and a peaceful read. All right, bye-bye.